Sometimes when signing documents in Acrobat, you need to use your real signature. So I'm going to show you how to bring in a handwritten signature that I've photocopied into a digital format called a PNG file. I'm going to go to Tools, Certificates, and I'm going to choose Digitally Sign, and I'm going to draw a rectangle on the page where I want the signature to go. Now you'll have to have a digital ID already created, but I'm going to go in and choose Continue. And here's the standard settings for Adobe Acrobat. I'm going to choose Create up here in the upper right. I'm going to uncheck the box for all of the elements inside there, and I'm going to choose Image. When I browse to find the image, which is a PNG file here in the bottom right, I will find the file I have, and there's my signature that's been brought in by scanned from a document, and now I can click Save. Adding this to my document is a simple matter of typing in my password for this particular signature file. When I click Sign, it'll ask me to save the file, and I'll call it Signature or Signed. And voila, I now have my digital signature in this document, and we are ready to go.